Wow, good morning. It is day 2 and I didn't really sleep well last night. I just kept thinking about the damn drone as I was trying to sleep. Like, what if I go back now? What if I call them in the morning? Like, so many different variables. Anyway, I did just call the church where the drone was lost this morning, and the guy was really quite unhelpful. He just basically put the phone down on me. So I'm gonna go over there now, and I'm gonna see if I can persuade them to allow me to go to the top of the tower. Even though it's closed, it's a private tower, I very highly doubt they're gonna let me. But yeah, it's worth trying. Okay, so I was flying the drone here, and that is the tower. The Church of Our Lady of Tyne. Up there is where I crashed the drone. This is the seat that I was sat on yesterday in the Old Town Square when I was using the drone with Nick, and that is the tower where the drone crashed and went missing. I did just speak to one of the managers of the church, and he said come back at 3:30 and I'll speak to another person who will escort me to the top in order to try and retrieve what is left of the wreckage of the drone. I am hoping that I can retrieve the footage from yesterday and just the footage in general, because there's a lot of stuff that I do want to use in the video. We are going to go back to the old town in order to try and retrieve the drone. So we will see if we're going to be able to get it.
I'm confident, actually.
Are you confident
that you're going to be able to get it?
Are you actually?
You've made friends with them.
Yeah.
They're going to take you up to the roof. We know where it is.
I mean, I don't want to get my hopes up, but we will see. It is somewhere up there. So I just met with the guy who was a little bit older, who was going to let me up to go to the top, but I didn't realize when he was going to do that, he was just going to let me go up on my own. So I'm currently in the church tower, and yeah, I'm just climbing up on my own, and I don't think this is ever open to the public. It's very steep and it all feels a little bit uneasy. So yeah, I feel like this is a bit dangerous. It doesn't feel steady. So there's no lighting. Oh, there's no lighting here. There we go. Still not very bright. It's a big drop down there. This has got to be quite dangerous. But I think I've made it to the top. Wow. I think I'm here. So that is the huge bell, and I'm just kind of on my own. I'm absolutely sweating. I'm quite scared, I'm not gonna lie. All the electricals. Generator. Yeah, this looks very dangerous. Wow. This does not look safe. I wonder if this is the platform that leads outside. Yes, I found it. The
the platform outside onto the rooftop. Oh, the drone! The drone! The drone! Oh my lord! I found it! The drone! The camera's smashed, but the drone, I found him! I have just crawled through there, up this tower, the Church of Our Lady Before Tyne, all on my own. It does not look stable, in order to try and find the drone, and I'm literally just on the top of this roof. He didn't look like he thought this was maybe a good idea, but wow, the view here is unbelievable. But look, the main thing of all, the thing that I came up here for, the drone, I found it. It was upside down just there, but it is broken. The camera's all smashed, the glass is all broken, which is a disaster. Check out these views of the city. Unbelievable. I'm gonna go and see Old Town Square. Wow. Old Town Square. You can see everything. Wow. Incredible. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. Absolutely breathtaking. I cannot explain what it's like to see this. Like, I'm absolutely dripping wet in sweat, and that's because of like the nerves of being up so high on my own. Yeah. I'm kind of lost for words. I'm not sure what to say. I'm higher than that crane. So look, the drone is obviously no more. It's broken. Rest in peace. But I have got the memory card and the footage from the rest of this trip, and I do hope the memory card hasn't broken and I am still able to retain all that footage. I mean, this has been fun. This is a great experience, being able to go up here where nobody else can go. Like, look, I'm just on the top of this roof. This is mental. This is the kind of stuff that you remember from a trip though. Not the time that I went to the church or I saw that amazing view, like the time that I lost my drone and I climbed to the top of a tower that looked unstable, saw some incredible views that nobody else has seen. And yeah, this is exhilarating. I'm sweating like a maniac, and yeah, I need to get back down there because the guy's probably going to be panicking, thinking maybe I've fallen off. So back in the hole we go. Back down we go. Ah. This does not look safe at all. Got all this rubble, got big cracks through there. You got the power generator there. Like, this does not look stable. There's spider webs everywhere.
It's okay.
Yes, I got it.
Yeah.
I'm so happy I just found it.
Am I okay?
Yes, yes, absolutely fine. Okay?
Okay.
I actually can't believe it. I am dripping wet through, but it is good to be back on ground level. I now need to find Nick among everyone and break the news to him. But that big tower, that is where I just came from. Absolutely mental. I've got stuff all over me, dirt. Nick! Nick! Dude! Rest in peace!
Is he dead?
It's dead. He died.
Yeah, but the worst case scenario.
Dude, the lens is dead.
It's been through so much.
Yeah, give it a stroke. Let me tell you something.
Yeah.
Up there.
I saw your Instagram.
Did you see me?
Yeah. No, I
Did it
didn't.
look
I was
cool?
in Starbucks.
It's actually, it was the scariest thing, I'm not gonna lie.
That's 40 quid fix versus a £500 fix.
No, but it's gone. Look at the outer casing. The outer casings.
Yeah, but think about it. There's so much more you could do with this.
Yeah, I mean, look, I've got the
data back.
I've got the data back, the memory card. Drone is obviously gone. Rest in peace. Rest in peace. But I did see some incredible views, dude. The views that I saw from up there, absolutely spectacular. Honestly, unbelievable. So that is the end of day 2. Thank you guys for watching. I do hope you have enjoyed this video. Smash the like button for finding the drone. I mean, that's a reason to smash the like button, let's be honest. Subscribe to the channel, hit that bell button. I'll see you guys in vlog number 2.